Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike. This is probably one of the juiciest custom jobs we've done in a while. Customer had an 18 by 8 HAAS Overlayment door, and he bought this beautiful vehicle here, and it is now an 18 by 10. And what we did, we put in 310 low head roof pitch track, and then we put in an 85-87 and we pitched that up too on an angle to lift this door up all the way. The engineer said this had to be rear torsion, and we said no. It's too cold out right now to put the overlayment pieces on. So when you order an overlayment section as a custom like this to go on top of an overlayment panel already, they make you do it on the job because they can't guarantee where that overlayment's gonna line up every time. It's just impossible. We're just cleaning up here. I just got the button here. I'm just gonna show you this. This thing's quieter than anything. Listen how smooth that is. Super quiet, super smooth. Okay, 18 by 10 HAAS door. We put in extra screws on just about all these hinges here, okay? Obviously you could see where the glass used to be, and then we added the 24-inch top panel. It was dual end style, which I love, so we put our 13 ball zinc sealed plated wheel there. We put another zinc one there and another one there for the glass panel. So we got 4 struts on this. 3 of them are the HAAS box type strut, and then we put our own 18 there for that panel. And then we made our custom bracket here on the top to mount the opener with, okay? Got a bunch of screws in there, through bolted it in the middle, and then 2 more screws there. These are 3 3/4 inch springs up here, big boys, commercial center bearing. We did, as you could see here, we had to notch the drywall a little bit because of the roof or ceiling mount bracket we had to put on there, so we had to notch that out, and it stinking fit in there like a glove. No rope on here because this vehicle of his squeaks in. There's an air conditioner unit on there. I don't know if you can see that right there at the top. That air conditioner unit squeaks right under here. And there it is. It goes all the way. It goes right underneath that LED light and all the way up. We gotta put the other lens cover on and get some light bulbs from them. I think that'll open them. I had a few, but okay. Let me get down from here, and I'll show you what it looks like on the outside. I'll knock on a door for you real quick. I'm gonna go outside here. It's February. It's freezing. It's sleeting. There's no way we're putting on that overlayment stuff. We're gonna wait till it warms up. You can see the way the door looks and the way his carpenters trimmed it all out. It's all gonna match beautifully. Okay, it's gonna match awesome. So there's the door. Let me get over here really quick. This guy's got an awesome property here too, by the way. Look at this property here, and then over that hill is the Fox River. Hold on, let me go quickly. Let me go run over here real quick. Yeah, you can see it right down there. That's the Fox River. He's got like rolling acres here. This place is awesome. All right, back to the door, sorry. Look at over here. Yeah, that looks tight. And then what we're gonna do with the top panel, the way we're gonna make it look, we're just gonna do a solid design like those doors on that garage. Or we might just follow the contours of this. I don't know. It'll be up to him. Here we go. And there it is, 18 by 10 carriage house. 310 roof pitch, low head track, front mount. They said they couldn't be done with an 85-87 door opener. This thing is smooth as a baby's bottom. Look at that. Center hung. Look at these hangs. I mean, boom. Perfect. Look at this side over here. Boom. Perfect. This door rolls absolutely awesome. Super stoked. For all your garage door needs, Innovative Door, 632-719-343 through www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. You want to hit that buzzer for me, please, on our way down for the ending closing video? Here we go. Thank you for watching our video. If you got any comments, drop a comment, drop a like, ask a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our HAAS 18x10 custom 310 roof pitch low head inside mount garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.